a Turkic-speaking, non-Russian group in northeastern Siberia, where I did research for 30 years, and we'll go back as soon as it's safe to go to Russia. This is called Urum Tuluk, and it's about a white bird that is around in the deep, cold winters of Siberia.